In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp chat to Squarespace website, Works 2025. We'll add a floating WhatsApp chat button to your Squarespace site using Elsite and then embed it so it appears across your pages. By the end, visitors will be able to message you on WhatsApp with a single click. Start by heading to the Elsite website. On the homepage, open the Widgets section and look for the WhatsApp chat widget. Select it, then choose Create Widget for free. You may be asked to log in or create a free account before proceeding. After that, click View Widget to open your widget in the dashboard. This is where you can preview how the chat button will look. If you want, you can customize things like the welcome text, the button position, and the chat icon style, but customization is optional and you can always return to it later. Next, in the Widgets dashboard, open the options and choose Embed Code. This will show you the installation code you need. Click Copy Code to place it on your clipboard. Keep this tab open in case you want to adjust settings later. Now switch to your Squarespace site. From your site dashboard, open the Pages area so you're working on the correct site. Then go to the section for Custom Code and open Code Injection. This is where you'll place snippets that load on every page. In the Code Injection panel, click into the appropriate field and paste the code you copied from Elsite. Most sites place third-party widgets in the footer section so they load consistently without blocking your main content, but header will also work if recommended by the provider. When the code is in, click Save to apply the change site-wide. With the code saved, return to your pages, click Edit on a page to refresh the preview, and then save again so Squarespace rebuilds the page with your new script active. Give it a moment, then view your live site. You should see the WhatsApp chat button appear in the corner you chose in the widget settings. A few quick tips as you check your result. If you don't see the button right away, refresh the page or open it in a private window to bypass caching. Make sure your site is public and not in maintenance mode. If you're using any performance or cookie tools, confirm they're not blocking third-party scripts. And remember, any future design changes to the widget happen in the Elsite dashboard. You don't need to replace the code each time. Just save your changes there and refresh your site. That's it. You've successfully added WhatsApp chat to your Squarespace